Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to edit the zoom in general 0 hour. As you can see, the zoom of general 0 hour is too close, so I want to zoom out for best playing game. So if you want to zoom out, as you can see, we can't zoom out, it's limited. So to edit the zoom, stay tuned and follow the steps. Okay, so I want to edit the zoom in the general. So simply, guys, go back, okay, go to the Computech 21 website. Don't worry about the link, I will put in the description below. In the 0 hour section, go to modified zoom for general 0 hour. Okay guys, here, click here. Okay, and download this file to install. Put the ini file in your command and conquer directory data ini. Okay, download now. Okay, save in the desktop, save. Okay, that's it. Right click, extract this file. Okay, copy game data and go to general 0 hour, right click, open file location. Okay, go to the data folder, ini folder, then right click, paste the game data here. That's it guys. Now go to the general again, 0 hour, and test if the file runs successfully or not. Okay, okay guys, as you can see, the file worked correctly, no error. The zoom was edited, as you can see, it's fine. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.